Tonight's top story, Southeast Texans can expect shorter lines at the grocery stores and less people in restaurants. Both are scaling back to 50% capacity. And bars that haven't reclassified as restaurants, they'll have to close. And this is all because of our hospitalization rate. 12 News reporter Victoria DeLeon has been tracking the latest updates as our region experiences its first scale backs.
2 weeks away from 2020 being over came bad news for businesses across Southeast Texas. The Department of State Health Services sent this letter to county judges in our area, saying our COVID-19 hospitalization rates have been over 15% for the last 7 days. That means it's time to scale back.
With all the information that we've had over the past several months in terms of how to flatten the curve, we should know better, and it's disappointing that we're sliding backwards.
In the last week, our lowest hospitalization rate of COVID patients was 17.88%. Our highest, nearly 40%. A number of state reps say they're still working to confirm.
We expected the cases to go up.
Beaumont Dr. Mansai Levine and other health officials warned of a winter surge, especially with gatherings that come with the holidays.
It's hard to fight human behavior. And it's disappointing because it's almost like we're starting over to a certain degree.
Here's what's next. Beginning Tuesday at 8 a.m., hospitals must cancel elective surgeries. Bars will have to shut down and return to to-go only. Other businesses must scale back to 50% capacity. This excludes hair and nail salons. They can continue operating at 75% capacity, but must follow social distancing guidelines. No one wants to see businesses suffer, but local leaders say health and safety will always be a priority. In the meantime, officials ask that we stay vigilant.
We'll be into this until deep next year, until we really start seeing a big downturn of these cases, especially if we don't wear a mask. So I'm disappointed.
That was 12 News reporter Victoria DeLeon reporting for us. Now, one local leader is looking to take matters into his own hands. Judge Wayne McDaniel says he'll appeal to the governor to keep Hardin County off of this list. He says his biggest concern is that businesses may not be able to recover from another round of restrictions.
I just don't think that the data is there, at least not in Hardin County, that we should be restricting our grocery stores and our restaurants back to 50%.
Judge McDaniel says that none of the county's contact tracing indicates that anyone has caught the virus from any of the restricted locations.